me and just trying to get into makeup and everything in this video, this is a product all right. Yes, everything is there. This will get you started because it did for me. I'm sure it's gonna do that for you too. So now let's dive right. Happy prosperous new year. It's gonna be a wonderful year. Great content coming your way. Now, if you are new here, my name is Fatima. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for hanging with me. A lot of great things will be happening on this channel. As a matter of fact, it's already happening. So what are you waiting for? Go right ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to turn on the notification bell so you won't have to miss any of my videos. Now, today is gonna be a fun day. We will be talking about beauty products. So I will be sharing that with you today. It has really helped me. Like, it has changed my game, my makeup game. If you watch like my say 6-5 videos ago on YouTube, oh my god. In fact, when I watch them now, I cringe at my makeup and everything. So today I will be sharing with you all the products that I recently picked up, some high-end and some drugstore makeup. I'm still collecting more, okay? That's what we'll be doing today. Let's get into it. The first thing I'll be sharing with you are the products that I picked up from Fenty Beauty. I picked up 2 bronzer. I picked up one. This one is called the Cheeks Out. Can you see that? Yes, this is the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer, and it says 06. So this is a cream bronzer. Now, what I do is I use this to contour instead of a deeper concealer. So that is what I do with this Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. Yeah, that is what I do with this one. So that is what I have right here. Now let's move on to the second one. Is called Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer. That is what I use to bronze, right? You know, just to add color back to my face after all the eyeliner, foundation, and everything. So this is what I use. Can you see? Yes. Anyways, I have these 2. So now I got 2 setting powder from Laura Mercier. This is what you use after your foundation, your everything. You use this one to set your face. I'm sure everybody is familiar with setting powder. This is kind of high-end, but I like it because it is the holy grail. This is what everyone is talking about. Like, every beauty influencer talks about Laura Mercier setting powder. It's just the best out there, hands down. I picked up 2, like I said. This one is translucent luciding powder, and this one too is translucent luciding powder. But now this one is in color medium deep, and this other one is translucent. I'll show you what it looks like. That is what it looks like, the honey. And the other one is just very dark. See, that's what the other one looks like. I have a deeper shade, or I don't know, color anyways, and I have a lighter one. So I use the lighter one for this side of my face, you know, just to brighten up where I light, and the darker one I use it for this part of my face. So that's it. Now, if you want to pick up a setting powder, it's a little bit expensive, but it's the best, like the best. I picked up eyeshadow palette from Mented Cosmetic. I love this eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I love it because I don't like eyeshadow with shimmer, and this one, they call this one everyday eyeshadow palette, and it is really everyday eyeshadow palette. It has no shimmer. I really love it. Like, I love how muted it is. I use this for 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the 4th shade that I use the most, like, every day, and that's what I'm wearing today again. So yeah, I really love this Mented Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Like, the Holy Grail. I love it so much. Now I picked up a ColourPop blush. I use this one instead of highlighter. I use a blush, and that is what I have right here. I love how subtle this is. This is for my highlighter. I use a blush instead of an highlighter. Now I'm shooting with daylight because I'm right here in my bedroom. So if you notice any changes in my video and everything, it is the weather. Okay. So in Prep and Prime Fix It from MAC. Now, before all these makeup thingy, before I'm trying to get into makeup and everything, I used to be a MAC girl. Like, I've been using MAC products all my life. Since my teenage days, back in Nigeria, back in Africa, I only use MAC products, and I'm gonna show you all my MAC products as we move on into this video. So I picked this one up. This is what I used to set my entire face after makeup, you know, just to give me that dewy look. You know what I'm trying to say? So this is what I picked up, and this one is from MAC. I have something from Urban Decay. This is eyeshadow primer potion. This primer, because before, when I wear my eyeshadow, it used to smell like it would just, over time, it would transfer to this lower side of my eye. You know, at the time, I don't know, there is an eyeshadow primer. When I start, you know, learning how to do my makeup and everything, I learned about this one and I picked it up, and since I did, my eyeshadow stays where I want it to be. If I want it here, that is where it stays all day, like not going anywhere. Okay, Sephora sent me a tester Chanel foundation. That is what I have on today, and I think I like it. So this might be what I will be switching to in the future. Not even in the future, because I'm just gonna order it maybe this week or something. I've been using Black Up foundation for 4 years now. I have two. One is in shade HCC8. The other one is shade HC09. They are both from Black Up, and I think I'm ready to make a change. This is the Holy Grail. Look at that Hourglass Mineral Primer. It is a primer. It has a sunscreen. If you're in the market for a good primer, it's kind of pricey. It's around maybe $60 or $70, but it is the best. Trust me when I say it is the best. This primer is the best. I can't stress it enough. Like, it's so light, you won't even feel like you're wearing anything, and it just works. Like, I love it. By the time I remove my makeup, it leaves my face flawless. Before I got this, you know, when I started creating video content every day, after I remove my makeup, my face will look so hard and ash, and I was just like, what is going on? But since I got this primer, oh my god, the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, it just changes everything for me. Like, if you want to invest in a good primer, you want to ask anyone to gift you anything for Valentine, ask for this. Okay, it's like the best, the very best primer, hands down. I have my beauty blender here. If you are just starting out like me and you want your makeup to blend in flawlessly, you need a beauty blender. I've had this for about a year now. Even when I was a rookie, I know that I needed a beauty blender because everyone was talking about it. And when I got it and started using it instead of the brush that I was using, it just changed my makeup game and everything. So you need a beauty blend. I have my concealer here. This one is from Maybelline. I ordered a NARS concealer, but when it got here, it was way too dark because I didn't go in store to try it out or anything, you know. So I returned it to Ulta, and I picked this up while I was there because they didn't have any NARS concealer in store. So I picked this Maybelline concealer in 35 deep. So this is what I used to do. This is what I'm wearing, but I'm still gonna order the nurse concealer, okay, because it is the best out there in my opinion, or from, don't let me say my opinion, from everything that I've seen online, you know, from my research and everything. So that's that. So these are, they are both from MAC. I use this one after everything. Like I use this one to just set my entire face after foundation, concealer, everything. So I use this one. This one is way dark, but I have another one that is lighter. So that's what this one looks like. I use this one to set my entire face, especially this part of my face. So yeah, I picked up this magic makeup wipe or towel from Sephora. I'm gonna link everything below, okay? Now if you know, to remove your makeup, because it's very very important to take every bit of makeup off your face, okay, you need this. You need this, honey. You need, I got this one just for $20. We all need it, okay? So yeah, that is that. Remember I said I'm a MAC girl, like true and true. I'm gonna start with my MAC lipstick, okay? So yeah, now the first MAC lipstick is Lady Danger. This is the shade. It's almost out, but this is what I wear, like, you know, every time. Now that's the first one. Let's move on to the second one. The second MAC product that is like my holy grail, like the best of the best for me, is this Ruby Woo. I've been using this for about 10 to 12 years now. Yes, this is like the best ever Ruby Woo. I will link everything below, so if you want to check it out, you can go right ahead and try them out for yourself, okay? Now let's move on to another one. The Ruby Woo is a red color, and the Lady Danger is kind of pinkish, orangey kind of. Now this is another red color. This is also from MAC. This one is retro matte liquid lip color, and this color is Feel So Grand, or the shade is Feel So Grand. This is it. This is what it looks like. So yeah, that is another one from my MAC lipstick. I have this one too from MAC lipstick. This is called Pleasant Patent Polish Lip Pencil. This is what it looks like. Can you see that? Yeah. So that is that. Now I have another one. This one is a lip gloss. I wear this anytime I wear a nude lipstick and I just want some kind of shimmer on it. I always just reach for this. So this one is just MAC lip gloss, and this one is shade 3010 baby. This is what I'm wearing. This Giorgio Armani lip gloss. It's kind of deep. It has some color to it. So it's not just a gloss. I don't know how to explain it. You might be familiar with it, but this is like one of the best out there. I mean, the line of this gloss, because this is what I wear like every time. This is my go-to lippy. I just put it on, add a little bit of lip gloss to it, and that's it. So yeah, it's up these two from NYX. This one is BLG 05 Cream Brulee. That's this one. And the second one is Butter Gloss BLG 14 Madeline. This is like another favorite of mine. I really love this Madeline, but this one I always have to mix it up because it's kind of too pinkish for me. So I always mix this up whenever I'm using it. I've only wore this once, but I think I bought this about 2 to 3 times. So two from Lip Bar. These are matte lipsticks. So the first one, the red one, is Hot Mama. I wore this once, the Hot Mama. I don't know. It's okay, but my favorite is still my Mac Ruby wool. So I don't know. I saw a lady. There is this YouTuber that I follow. She always wear it, and she was always talking about it. So I tried to give it a try out. It was okay, not bad. I mean, for the price point, but I don't know. The second one is this nude, and this one is in unimpressed. This nude one. So that is what I picked up from lip balm. This one is from YSL. This is what I use every time, especially when I'm going to bed after I wash my face, use my products and everything. This is what I put on my lips every night. I love it. I love the fact that it does not have a scent. I don't really like scented products, so I love that this does not have any scent, and I get that feel that it is luxurious. It is high-end. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. Okay, I picked up some pencils. This one is from LA Girl, and this one is Perfect Precision Eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I'm just starting collecting pencils and everything, so I don't have that much of a collection as of yet. I will be doing an updated beauty products most definitely, because I ordered some items. They are not here yet, so I don't know if I've mentioned it before. So yeah, now the next one is this is another LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. This is what it looks like. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything below if you're interested. Oh yeah, and I picked this one up. This one is from Milani. I got this one from Target. This is Milani pencil. I've not even used it. This is the nude pencil that I've not even used. And this is from NAS, but this was gifted to me. So it's just a black pencil. I've used it once and it's kind of okay. That's it for everything. Oh my god. Yeah, we are done. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Kindly give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like I said, it will help me grow. You know, your girl is still here. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm really trying to grow this channel. You need to help me out, okay? So I can better create more content for you. You feel crazy when you're creating and nobody sees it. So if you ever come across this video, kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you won't have to miss any of my videos. Like I said, a lot of great things will be happening here, so you are welcome to join the community. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys.